Welcome to Mickey and My Craft. This is Hilda, your host. Today we're gonna start. I got about 6 of them from DIY Choose again. They contacted me. These are promotional items, and we had quite a few related to fall and Thanksgiving. Okay, so having said that, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do 3 today. Okay, and 3 on next week, next time. Okay, so let's get started so we don't take too much time. Let's start with this special drill. This is a 30 by 40 though, and this is cute. It has kind of like the fall colors. You get the basic toolkit, which is a bolt, a wax, and a single placer pen. We got the drills over here, which we're gonna look. And this is what we have. Look at how beautiful it is. This one has 13 colors, or 13 special shades, however you wanna call it. I like to stretch them out. Here it is. Look at how beautiful it is. The glue is good, but take a look at those colors. They're fall colors. They're beautiful, all kinds of shape. It's a partial, but you do the whole, practically the whole owl. Look at how beautiful it is. Look at all those colors. So the colors of the drills must be the same. Let me try to turn the light on the top off. So hold on. Maybe by turning that light off, we see better. So now it's this light. Okay. So here it is. Here you go. Really like this. Let's do this. Okay, you got one over here, number 12. I think I'm gonna turn the light on. Okay, here we are. Good. No, I'm gonna turn the light on again. Hold on, because it's not working. My husband is not here, so can't help me. Okay, we got so nice rhinestones. This is like a gray or like a silver color. This one is a black. This is the regular drill. Yeah, a lot of rhinestones. Take a look at these faceted marquees. This round one. These are big, these are smaller ones of the same type, faceted. These are big blue ones. And these ones are like the small one in red but with the AV. So this is a beautiful one. A beautiful canvas. It has the 4 colors. So let me take a sip of my Diet Coke. Oop, forgot this. I cannot forget that one. Let me put it back real quick. That is very important. Here is the next one. $30 by $40. Fall is in the air. Oh, this is a big no-no. I don't like this packaging. This 200, that takes too long. Here is a boat. And this one looks like it's falling some. Yeah, there is some loose in here. So God knows. Let me check. Yeah, you got some right here at the bottom that are loose. So here are the colors. There are 4 colors. I'm going to show it before I show you the canvas because it got some of them loose. Yeah, it's a beautiful canvas. It's 20 colors only. Fall is in the air. Oops. Oh, you don't want to do that. Yeah, I'm trying to get it straight as much as possible. 20 colors and all of them are letters, have the DMC code. They're on both sides of the canvas. It's a 30 by 40. It's a good glue canvas. And over here the letters could be a little bit more wider. Like a bold white. But you still can see it. You still can see the dark areas. Yep, fall is in the air. You saw the colors already. I'm gonna put it back over here because it has some of them falling and I gotta do something about it. Okay, let's go to the next one. Get this one though. Also contains the same basic toolkit. Also the same type of packaging of colors. Again, 4 colors, beautiful. The 200, this is cumbersome for many of us. It's a 30 by 40. It has 22 colors. And it tells you happy fall. Also only letters with the DMC code. This one, the canvas is a little bit harder. Look at the colors, beautiful. And the canvas has some shimmering. Take a look, let's see if you can see it. Some shimmering to it. You see? Some sparkle. The canvas. Happy fall. I love the colors on this one. I love the colors on this one. Beautiful. You got some flowers, you got the pumpkin, the lantern, the words. And all these are in 4 colors. It's a full canvas. So, you know. And these ones I'm going to have to kind of kit it up and then put it aside. Okay, this is it for today. Have a wonderful week. Okay, don't forget to hug and kiss your fur baby from Mickey and I. Until the next time, much love and peace to all of you. Bye.